3 signs you're taking too long to quote your plumbing jobs. Number 1, you're still using a pad and paper to write things down and you're making full material lists for every job. Number 2, you find yourself going to look at a lot of jobs and spending way too much time with the client explaining things to them. Number 3, you're either using a phone, a tablet, or a laptop to build and write your quotes. Hey, don't worry, these are all the things I used to do when I first started out, and even for the first 3 to 4 years of running my business. We have created several different options to help speed up and automate this process. I now spend max 20 minutes on large quotes and less than 10 minutes on the smaller ones. If you're interested in learning how I automate my entire quoting process, then click the link in this ad.